To understand how to mark point of interest very easily, we need to understand like what is liquidity sweep. Basically, when there is a liquidity over here, price comes here and sweeps all this liquidity from all the liquidity from these two lows and then goes to the upside. Okay, so what is this creating? This is creating imbalance in the price. So price will do some kind of liquidity over here. Okay, this is our point of interest. Okay, which sweep the liquidity. How we will trade this? When price comes on lower time frame, we will wait for structure to shift and then we will enter on this and then we will enter buy here and stop loss will be here. So we will see this on real chart. Okay, what do I mean by liquidity sweep? So by looking at the daily chart, what we can see is there was structure break over here. Okay, change of character over here. And so when there is change of character, we will look for buy side order blocks. Okay, and just by looking at the daily time frame, we can see there is wick over here. So what is this wick? This is hidden demand zone. What do I mean by hidden demand zone? Basically, it took out these 2-3 lows and then gave us new structure shift over here. Okay, so just by drawing the daily wick, we can see imbalance on 1 hour or 4 hour. Okay, so this is very simple. You just need to, okay, so what we will do, we will go again on the wick. Okay, so what is, just by marking the wick, we are exactly marking the order block on lower time frame. Like, so 1 hour point of interest is very good. Okay, so what we will do is, now we will go on lower time frame. So now this is the structure we are looking for. So this is the last structure we are looking for change of character, because there are lots of imbalance over here. So basically, so what price can do is it can just fulfill this order block and then can go and also can go to the downside. So we need to make sure we are looking for right change of character while marking the point of interest. So this is our last structure. We are waiting for the structure to break. Okay, so now the structure is broken. The structure was broken by this origin order block. Now we will use this whole range as order block. Okay, so this will be our entry. This is our stop loss. And as we can see, the price is already shifted to the buy side. We will this order block and we'll leave a little bit of space over here. So this is our entry. Once this structure is broken, we will go to the break even. So this is like 1:14, and the next take profit will be this order block, because what price can do is there is liquidity over here. So price can also react from this one. So we need to make sure we are booking the profit at right zone. Okay, this will be our profit booking strategy. So we will see 2-3 example of marking point of interest. So just by looking at this picture, as I said in the first 5 minutes of the video, as you can see, there is a liquidity sweep over here. This candle took out this liquidity. So now we will go to the lower time frame and look for change of character. So this is the move which took out this high. Now we'll go to 1 minute. So in this zone, we will mark the zones which took out the liquidity. Okay, so basically there is only one zone here which took out the liquidity. So this is the zone. So now we will refine this zone to this one. Okay, and now we'll wait for change of character. So as I said, when there is imbalance, don't consider this as a structure break. Okay, so price is most likely to fulfill this imbalance and then go up. So as we can see, price created this new structure and then broke this structure. Okay, so this is our entry zone. This is our entry. This is our stop loss. The next zone will be our take profit. Okay, next liquid sweep will be our take profit. So this will be our new take profit. So it is also giving new entry over here. So we can also use this entry to re-enter. So this is how we got 1:8 and 1:8 on EUR USD. So basically it's very easy please don't get confused because it's very easy. So as I said, look for look for the structure which took out the liquidity. So that will be your perfect zone to enter on. Just mark the zones which took out the liquidity. That will be more clear and very precise to mark that and to use that as a point of interest. If you want to join our mentorship, the link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, you can share this with your friends. Let's meet in new video.